Well, good afternoon. Thank you. No, as we speak, the Vice President Sara Duterte is going to meet for the first time her father.
Okay.
She has not had the occasion, and neither have I had the occasion to meet with the President. Only Executive Secretary Medeldea, who accompanied him on the plane here, has had the opportunity to meet him this morning for less than an hour. I'm a bit disappointed at the practices of the ICC that has delayed the visit of a family member to an accused.
Yes.
We look up to the ICC as a model for international justice, and the fact that it has taken 2 days for a family member to see the accused, I think does not speak well of the practices of the court. We condemn it. Why does it take 2 days for a family member to visit an accused? That's unacceptable.
Yes.
Secondly, we are very much disappointed that the court did not address the issue of kidnapping as a means to divest the court of jurisdiction.
Exactly.
We think that the ICC should again set an example in promoting international justice, and when kidnapping is allowed as a means of acquiring jurisdiction over the jurisdiction of the accused, we think this too is a travesty of justice.
Yes.
We believe that at the earliest instance, the court should rule on the legality of kidnapping as a means of acquiring jurisdiction, and we cite the case of Ibrahim versus Minister, a decision of the Constitutional Court of South Africa, that the illegality of the arrest should divest courts of its jurisdiction.